Good morning. I'd like to show you how to purchase your Pure Romance Starter Kit. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to pureromance.com. We're going to select Join. From the Join screen, we're going to become a U.S. consultant. We will select our starter kit. Make sure that this person here is the person that you are working with. So for instance, if you are working with Kim Thompson, this here would say Kim Thompson. It might not necessarily have her photo, but for now this is mine. We're going to go to proceed to checkout. You're going to need to create an account. So oh, excuse me. I'm just following the prompts. It is going to require you to put both phone numbers for some reason. And we're going to register. Once registered, it'll again confirm that you're working with your particular consultant. If you don't see her face, you can search for her here with her area code. So we're going to keep her. We're going to very first, your shipping information, we're going to put that into here so it can calculate the shipping. Save it. Now that the shipping information has been correctly inputted, double check that. We're going to scroll down. We're going to verify that shipping, sales tax, everything has been calculated. This is the balance due. And then we are either going to select checkout with PayPal or we're going to add a credit card. So we're going to add that credit card, which I'm not going to be able to do right now because I'm not purchasing a kit. So then we would add payment. All right, maybe I am. We're going to add payment. And all that that's doing is holding it. Then we're going to select I agree. Place your order. So I hope that that helped you today. If you have any questions, please let us know.